This is a screencast for creating a composite video window using Premiere Pro. We're at the beginning menu for Premiere Pro. We're going to start a new project, and we're going to call it Pledge. At this point, the working screen appears. We're now going to import two videos. The first one, we're going to import Pledge. Then the second video, we're going to import Sign. I'm going to drag Pledge out to the timeline in the Video 1 project area, and then I'm going to take Sign and drag it out into the timeline as well in the Video 2 area. The first video is the Pledge of Allegiance. Okay. The second video is a person doing the signing of the Pledge of Allegiance. Now, I'm going to go and first of all, I have to take and click on the sign video to scale it to the format that we're working with. Second of all, I now need to size this video to fit into a window on the main Pledge video. I'm going to click twice. It's going to work better if I go into full screen, which is Shift and Yay. At this point, you can see the sizing handles. I'm going to click on the sizing handles and start to readjust the size of the signing video. I'm going to place it pretty much where I want it. And at that point, it's now been resized into a basic window. The problem exists is that there's a lot of blank space on either side of the video. So we're going to be using the video effects tool in Transform called Crop. So I'm going to crop off the left-hand side and the right-hand side of the video just to clean up the window and make it look a little more presentable. So I'm going to click on the Crop tool, hold down the mouse button, and drop it onto the sign video. You can see in the video controls on the left-hand side, there is our controls for left, top, right, bottom. I'm going to first of all start to adjust the left side of that video, and then I'm going to go and try to adjust the right-hand side of that video just to clean up our window a little bit. Okay, make it look a little more consistent. Now, so we've resized our window. Now, one of the issues that we need to address at this point is that we need to synchronize the signing video with the Pledge of Allegiance. There's a couple issues. First of all, we need to be able to coordinate the speaking of the video, the pledge with the signing of the video. First problem. The first problem exists is that the signing video was done at a slower pace than the Pledge of Allegiance was spoken. So, doing some basic calculations, I'm going to have you change the speed of the signing video to speed it up, because she signed the Pledge of Allegiance slower than the way it was spoken. So I'm going to go down the timeline, right-click the sign video, and I'm going to go to speed and duration. let's change the speed to 150%. That should pretty much coordinate the speed of her video with the speed of the spoken video. Now, the problem exists is that we don't know where we want to coordinate or have a benchmark of where the person signing is with the pledge itself. In the pledge, she uses a very specific symbol for a flag. And so I'm going to take and just put the playhead on the location where it says "to the flag." Now, so that I remember where this location is, I'm going to put in a marker, just a marker to mark a location. And you can see now that there's a green marker here. That's where we want to match up that part of the video with. So I'm going to go and I'm going to scrub over to her video, and I'm watching to see when she gives a signal for a flag, and it's right there. Okay, that's the symbol for a flag. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that point where the video head is, hold my mouse button down, and I'm going to drag over. You can see the line above the timeline, and I'm going to match that up with our green marker. So at this point, if everything's gone correctly, what happens is that when it says "to the flag," she's making the flag symbol. Now, so at this point, we're pretty good in respect to coordination. Let's see how that works.
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Now, what we need to do is we just need to, it's pretty close. I mean, you could play with it to get it exact, but at this point it's close enough. I'm just going to trim the end of the video to make it cleaner. And that's it. So at this point now, we have our video with the coordinated signing video.
Please stand for the pledge. Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.